Hey guys, how is everybody this evening? So tonight I thought we'd talk about cozy corners and hobbies. Why not? Because I think everybody should have their own cozy corner, even if it's not a corner, in their house, kind of their space where they go to kind of chill and relax and maybe do a hobby. I will tell you from the beginning, if you don't already know me, I don't do like crafting and stuff like that. I'm more into books and doing things like adult coloring books and writing notes to people and things like that. So, in my particular items, you will primarily see those kind of things in the stuff I'm going to show you. But you can certainly use it for that, and I will talk about some of the other ways you can use these items as we go through. So I will tell you, my own cozy corner has a little antique glider that I happened to find when I was out and about one time. I have a thing for chairs. I don't know why, but I have bought a number of antique, really cool looking chairs, just chairs that I think look cool. And so mine includes that, and I like to sit there, and it's in the corner in our bedroom, and I like to sit there and read. That's my favorite thing. So this felt display bin is a great thing to have beside my chair because it can hold a blanket. So you can see I actually put my blanket in here, or in slippers, and maybe even my book, or a lot of times I'll read on my Kindle. And even reading glasses. If I am reading, it depends on the lighting. Sometimes I need reading glasses now. Oh, can I just tell you, the first time I did this with something, I went, oh man. So, but you absolutely could put your reading glasses in there, and, as well as a blanket and stuff, and it stands upright. Now, when we say felt in the 31 world, we're not talking crafting felt. We are talking good sturdy felt. You can see this stays right upright. I'm literally just holding it up with one hand. So it's a good sturdy felt. Now I will say the one that's available is in a natural color, like this sort of color. It is not in this black, but it's just as sturdy and the same size and everything. Has the faux leather handles, so if you need to move it around a little bit. And it is $42. The next one I'm going to show you, I left the items that I have in it just so you could kind of see the size, but these would not fit. You would not have hair supplies, probably, in your cozy corner, but that's okay. This kind of gives you an idea of all the items that show. You can see we have all kinds of hair tools in this. This actually goes in our linen closet. But this is the felt storage bin. And again, and this is the color, and this is the natural color I was talking about that the other one's available. But that's the felt display bin. This is the felt storage bin, just to clarify. This one is obviously kind of a round shape. Again, two faux leather handles. The two different colors of felt kind of gives it a neat thing. It is that good sturdy felt again. You can see the high quality stitching and such. It's in really good shape. Holds up really well. This has been in our closet for quite some time. These are $32 and only available in these colors. But again, you could put a book and some reading glasses or maybe some writing materials. And by that I mean like cards and pens and things like that if you wanted to write that. But this would also be really good for yarn and knitting and needles, or crocheting, or whatever you know how to do. It will fit an adult coloring book. I've got one here, so I'll show you. See, it fits nicely. So if you're into like adult coloring books, or writing in journals, or whatever, or journaling, that sort of thing, these would absolutely fit in here as well. And again, this is the felt storage bin, and it's $32. The next one is new to the catalog this season, and I am in love. This is the canvas storage caddy, and it is so big, and yet so useful, and it could still fit in like right next to a chair, you know. It's got this lovely sturdy handle with the faux leather holding it on there. Again, you've got your high quality stitching. This is a real good high quality canvas. It's got pockets all the way around. It can hold all kinds of things. Here we've got like journaling, pens, markers, whatever. And then up here, I don't have things in every pocket yet because I'm still trying to decide which use. I may have to get a few more of these because I like this so much. I can think of a bazillion uses for it. But I use like little stickers and stuff on notes that I write. So I've got some of those here. And then I have my envelopes and my little cards because I like to write just little notes of encouragement to people. So I've got those in here. And then I added my glamour case in here because I keep all kinds of colorful pens and markers and things like that in this because it works really well for that. So I've got that done in here, but you can see it would hold all kinds of things. Again, you could absolutely use it for journaling or adult coloring books or writing notes, things like that. But again, I don't do these things, but it absolutely would work great for scrapbooking, especially with the handle. You can carry things around, or stamping, or any of those kinds of things, especially with the different pockets. I love how it has pockets all the way around, so you could put your smaller things all the way around and make it easier to find them. Because let's face it, you know, if you put it in the bottom, it will get lost at the bottom. I've had that happen on many occasions with different things. So that's something to keep in mind. The other thing I think this would be really good for, and we're talking about pampering and hobbies and your cozy corner, is this would be great for things like a pedicure kit or something. Say, when my girls were younger, I don't get as much time to do this anymore, but when my girls were younger, we would do like have a pedicure night, and all of us would do like pedicures and stuff. And this would be great for putting everything inside, like your bottles and your nail polish remover and your cotton balls and whatever, everything inside here. And then you can carry it around and, you know, take it out. Even we used to do them on the porch sometimes. So, but, so yeah, so many uses. Again, this is the Canvas Storage Caddy, and it is $42. Now the last one, I think everybody's familiar with at this point, but maybe not. This is an old print, but I thought I'd use this to show you because I'm using it for kind of a neat use. This is the Little's Carry-All Caddy. It is $16 and it's available in 5 prints. This is a very old print, although I do love this one. I have different things for creating different gifts and such in here, like little wrapping papers and ribbons and things like that inside mine. That's what I keep in mine. And I love the little pocket in the front because you can put things like pens in there and things like that. I actually do keep, like if you do the nail strips, I keep the nail strips in mine, and then I'll put nail file and things like that in the front pocket. So that's something else you can do. These make great gifts. In addition, I know knitters and crocheters that like to use this, where they will put a single ball of yarn or whatever in there, and their needle, and then they will pull, then the yarn stays in there, and they can do their knitting, and the yarn just comes out of the container. So the yarn is contained in here, but still the string's coming out as you need it. It also would be good for sewing and such, because you can put all your threads and stuff and some needles and such in here, or you can put your needles in maybe some little scissors or whatever in the front here. So it's great for that. With a handle, it's very portable. It is personalizable. So that's another thing that makes it a great gift. We've got end of year teachers gifts, nurses gifts. We've got Mother's Day on the way. Don't forget about that. You can put a little plant inside to give mom. Something to think. So yes, these are great for gifting as well as pampering yourself. Put some lotions and hand sanitizer, maybe body wash or whatever inside here. Makes a great gift too. So just a few ideas. I think maybe next week we should talk about gifting since Mother's Day's almost here, right? Maybe we'll do that. But for now, maybe create your own cozy corner with a few little items that work great for you. Have a great evening, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.